Hi everybody, today on Lazy Chef Cooking we are going to make an Omaha Steak meatball sandwich. And this is going to be just simple, down and dirty. Now when you get the meatballs from Omaha Steaks, they come pre-cooked and frozen. So take 5 or 6 meatballs out of the package that you have in the freezer, put them in the microwave, and cook them for about 2 minutes. That should make them nice and hot and it'll thaw them out. Next, take a hamburg bun, or any kind of bread really, but I prefer a hamburg bun. Place the meatballs on the bun. No, don't cut them in half. Don't cut them so they won't roll out. Just place them on the bun, and then put Parmesan cheese all around those meatballs to hold them together. Now remember, we're talking lazy chef here, so the key is the hot meatballs will melt the cheese, so there is no reason to stick this in a toaster oven, a microwave, or any other heating thing. You just want the cheese melted enough to hold the meatballs together. After you put the cheese on it, put the bun on, bam! What'd this take? 3.5 minutes tops? And that was going slow to show you. I mean, yeah, the longest thing was the 2 minutes in the microwave. Enjoy! So leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.